Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you something a little bit different.
Something a little bit different and something I think we're both a little scared of, Michael.
We got a decent chunk this time.
We actually did. So we are, of course, as the title will have given away, we are talking about some Willy Wonka bars.
That's it.
The 5 gram of which recently has been, and explaining the fear, it was very, very popular and very, very sought after. So,
Was.
That colour purple in there giving me some flashbacks. But in saying all that, it is a very cool product, and that's why it's been selling out in the 5 grammers. So interesting to see them do this kind of spin-off in size.
It is. So this is a 1 gram. So those that thought the 5 grammer was a bit out of their price range, they've done one in the 1 grammer. And like I said, we actually did get a nice chunk of them. As you can see here, there's 2 boxes of them, and there's quite a number in there. So we'll get them out, have a look. You've still got that beautiful purple, as Reuben just mentioned, and the print of the Wonka chocolate bar being torn open, which I think is fantastic.
That little wrapper, just peeled it back just enough to see if there's a golden ticket inside.
Yeah. And then obviously the Wonka Bar stamp on it. And then over on the other side, they've done really well, replicated that chocolate on the other side, but still contained all the good PAMP information there. And it's a pretty bar with all the edging on it and those types of things. And then obviously the bar itself has got the packaging itself has got the mintage limit, what cert number this one is, and a bit of
licensing.
About it.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, a beautiful product made by PAMP, and I think it's good that they've gone for that size smaller again, just to, like I said, make it that little bit more affordable for us. So I do expect them. I know Reuben made a comment right at the start. We do expect them to be fairly popular, and potentially, even though we did manage to secure a lot more, and let me tell you, it's a bit of a bun fight to get these allocations. We did get to secure quite a few more, so they will be available for a little while, but I wouldn't muck around with it either. If they're in your wheelhouse and you want them as part of your collection and a bit of fun, and a good thing to give away to the kids and things like that, grab them while you can.
I think this will be one of those split products, Michael. You'll have some people going, why would you pay extra for that one? Why not just go for this other 1 grammer? And then you'll have other people going there saying why they sold out because they went so quickly. I think it'll be one that splits people a little bit, but will be very popular for those that are interested.
Yeah, you've got to remember though, it's not all about stacking. Like if you're just purely looking at stacking, on best bang for the buck. This isn't the type of thing you're going for. This is the fun thing. This is the one to give away to your kids to try and get them to, learn about, in this case, gold. It's the one that you have as a bit of a showpiece. You might display it on the mantelpiece or, on the desk. Those types of things, more so than actually I'm just buying best bang for the buck because I want to get, a kilo of gold under my belt,
That's
whatever it is.
No, very, very true. All right, thank you very much, Michael. Good to see these through, and we will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.